Smiling passengers climbed out of the yellow plane. Yeah, while others stood in line to get on board. Mac's heart fluttered with excitement. That plane gives hay rides in the sky. Airplane. Tractor. Horse. Hey. Yeah, and an airplane. Vroom. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Mac wheeled over to the yellow plane. What's your name, he asked. My name is Plain Jane, said the yellow plane. Yeah. Do you see the birdie? Birdie in the grass. Yeah. The birdie. And there's another birdie on the plane. It must be wonderful to fly with the birds. Do you think I could do that? Asked Mac. No, you couldn't, she answered. You don't have any wings, so how could you fly? Ta-ta, off I go into the wild blue. For the rest of the day, all Mac could think about was flying. What a thrill it must be. Tractor? What's that? Yeah, it's a horse. What's that? Yeah. A yellow bird, a red bird, a blue bird, and what's this? Airplane. Bird. Yeah, airplane. That night, Mac told his story of the bright yellow plane to the birds on the farm. Mac asked them a lot of questions about flying. They talked until late. Yeah, tractor. And what's this?
A bird.
Yeah, what kind of bird? It's a duck. And that one is an owl. And that one is a chicken. Cluck, 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 cluck. And this?
Pig.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a pig. Looks like a cow, too.
Moo.
Yeah. Day after day, Mac looked at Plain Jane as she flew overhead with a new load of thrill seekers. Soaring, gliding, looping, rolling. As Mac watched, he longed to fly more than ever. Yeah. What do you see? A tractor? A red tractor? What else? Yeah, that's a horse. Nay. Tractor. He's pretending to be an airplane. He's dreaming that he has wings. And look, a birdie with her babies. Yeah, and an airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah.